again back to brackets, but today we're not gonna do CSS. Now we're gonna start a series called Bootstrap. So Bootstrap, we have the many things. They are, basically defining. Bootstrap is a collection of specific classes which you do not need to do any code. Just write the class or the specific class in which it is going to be, and just give the class for the element you want. Okay, and the things like success. What do you think of it? What is it going to give? Text dash success. Well, some may think weird observations, but success gives green color to the text of a text input or a label, which we use in Thumbable. So today we'll start with icons and the text I was talking about. So in Thumbable we used images just as icons. We'll make the image a small one and then add the icon. Done. And I will also use that in my chat app, which I created with cloud variables. So maybe you can check that video, which is in the description box below. Okay, so today we're gonna study about icons and the text which I was talking about. So let's start with icons. Icons we can make with two types: glyphicon and FA or font awesome. So we use that double times before writing the name, like FA dash envelope or anything. Like we have here Bootstrap and glyphicon. Like this is font awesome. Okay, so we're gonna search it. Say let's go with something like ID batch, and we will get it fa ID batch. Fa ID batch. We can copy this, okay, and we'll copy and we can paste it. Say enter, and the body, or start the body, enter and paste. Good. Let's see it, how it looks. So this is a small icon. Can you see this? Let me add the center tag for you. Enter, center, and I'm going to add this. I'm going to delete that. Okay, and I'll paste that over here. Oh boy. Okay, so here we have it. Copy and paste. Now you can see it again, and there you see this, a small icon. So we can make it bigger in the CSS, like everything. And this was for icons of font awesome. Now let's go to another one, another center tag, and the span tag. Oh, why are we writing this? I already get it. The glyphicon, like see this one. So let's search one. Say let's go with pencil, and this is the code. So we'll copy one of them. Oh boy. And copy. And we'll paste it. Like this. Okay? Print icon. Let's see that. And there's a print icon. You see this? Let us make it a bit bigger. Body. Alright, body. Its size. No, wait. Not the size. let's write the center tag. Okay, and then we'll have the height, is to say 40 pixel, and width same. That will be width. And then we'll make the span tag. Also the same. What about copying it? And the I tag. Now let's see it for a moment. Yeah, better, right? That is the print icon, and we have done it. Okay, that was about icons. So we have finished the icon part. Now let's talk about the text. Say we have to write something. What about starting up? No, not here. What about a paragraph? Okay, so in the paragraph we'll add a class. Text capitalize. Okay, also dash. I'll talk about it. Say I copy, let's go for an essay, anything. Let's go for a paragraph. Okay, copy, and I'll paste it. Okay, or let us take this one because it has all the small letters in it. Because what the text capitalized does is simply it makes every first letter of the word in the paragraph you have given a capital letter. So see, every single letter in this is a small letter. Now in this one, when we see the paragraph, it will every single first letter of the word becomes a capital one, because see this, because of this class we have used. So I said a fixed collection of classes is called a Bootstrap. It doesn't, you don't need to code too much CSS or HTML for it. Just set the class. Now what I'll do is text primary. What do you think about it? What will happen? Tell me. Some coding experts may have guessed it. It will be dark blue. Like this. The color of the text. See? It's dark blue. And then say, I'm going to do it like danger. Then it will come red. Look out for it. Okay? Warning is for orange, success is for green, and dark is for gray. Okay, dark is for gray. And info is for light blue, and primary is for dark blue. And danger, as I said, is for red. Okay? And success is for green. I repeated that. Then I'll tell you one more thing. There's something called columns. Do you know about it? So in a website, like say this one, let me inspect it for you. Inspect. There are 12 columns in total. Okay. So in Bootstrap, you will also learn about the classes in the next coming videos, that it also makes a website responsive. By responsive I mean that, like if you have a mobile screen, then in a mobile screen this much won't fit, right? So what it will do, these icons that are these accounts, Gmail images, will be on the top if you have noticed it, and these things are in one column. Okay, so every website, may be mobile, extra small, extra large, it all has 12 columns. So column for LG or large is, let's give it 6 columns. Okay, column for medium or MD is also 6. Column for SM or small is gonna be also 6. But if the column is XS or extra small, then we will give all 12 columns to it. Okay, this isn't my, like, it can differ. Now in some may prefer 3 columns or 6 columns, 9, or even a random number like 7. Okay, so let's test it. So this is a large one. So this is 6 columns. Can you see half of the page is divided? Okay, now let me inspect it for you. When I inspect it, you see this icon? This gives only 6 because this is small for now. Now I'm going to, when I make it extra small, it takes all the 12 columns. Can you see this? All the 12 columns. Okay, see, this is, and when I keep increasing it, just keep watching when it differs. Around 700 or so. Just see, there are 12 columns for now. Okay. And the 12 columns will become 6 when it increases. Okay, so we have tested it, and that's all for today. Bye friends, see you next time with a new Bootstrap video. Next time I'm going to explain you about nave, collapse and menu icons, and one more, the line icon. Okay, so bye for now, let's meet next time. Bye.